Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new, I am Empress. I do realistic and practical content for women balancing life, work, family, and themselves. So if this sounds like the type of content you are interested in, you are at the right place. Today's vlog is all about slowing down. It has been a very productive week and I feel like my space at home need to be replicating the same. I want to kind of recenter my space, cleaning my bedroom, the living room. We're going to be doing grocery stock. We want to reorganize the refrigerator, a little bit of laundry. If you have been feeling overwhelmed, tired, or not motivated at all, I'm hoping that this video will bring some motivation, right? And that you will be inspired. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and comment down below what is it that you do to reset on your reset day. Let me know down in the comments. So grab a drink, grab your snack, and let's go. This corner is the messiest part of the living room. Like, I don't know what to do with the bags. Like, I've made some little drill with some screws to kind of hang up bags, like school bags. So I need to reorganize the shoes area. Guys, Malik's penny section when play Roblox all night. Mirror is dirty. I wanted to do a vlog with me getting this. I got this some time ago, about 6 months ago, and this is my pantry area, guys. I just want to show you guys that this is a little pantry area because I don't have enough space. It needs a little organizing, but yeah, storage stuff in it. If you're looking for a pantry idea, this is something that you could use. Guys, I'm taking a rest stop. Oh my god, I've done a lot. So it's time for a break. Put some Shirley. Yeah, but what's it? This wall is, I need 2 wall art. I'm thinking of black and white because black and white can go with any color combination, so I'm thinking about doing like 3 wall art for this space. So I'm going to DIY that wall art, so look out for it. Home run once the bed spread. Not that.
just what I see.
Another productive vlog, very clean, very thorough. I hope that you guys are motivated to clean your space. I'm looking hella beat right now, but so much needed self-care after all of this cleaning, guys. So thank you so much for watching. This is where the vlog ends. Don't forget to hit your girl up, thumbs up the video, subscribe if you enjoy the content, and I will see you in the next one, okay?